Got it right here, you know what I mean? Yes, sir. No, can't beat this, you know? Yo,
Yes, sir.
nothing can beat this. That man tell you. Yes. See it. Then we go to the fireworks. Fireworks. I have to go through the fireworks part of the process first. You. Mad thing. Mad thing. Mad thing. Where's the tone of mystic? Big boy tie. Big boy tie rich.
She gave me the thing so the
Yeah, man. Yes, sir, the aircraft rich. Yeah, the vibe, Stevie. Pick up yourself, the general. Yo, y'all coming out a little cute. Yo, thing up. Yo. 3 battery them will come for the aircraft, you know what I mean? Yeah, 1 battery ago. You see me? Yeah, man. I look for the aircraft and now. Youth. Yo. See machine here, no, man. Yes, sir. The light. Feel the bugs. Light.
Light, for sure.
One of your ties them heavier than it. Yeah, vibrator heavier than this.
Well,
It's a story time, people. You know what I mean? Steady what go on. Yeah. So, you know we ordered the drone and from Amazon and did it, wait upon it for days. We all pay for it. Delivered earlier, you know, like 7 days earlier, you know, if memory serves right, you know, pay extra to get it delivered early, but that never happened, you see me? So now, boom, we go so now and get one email from Amazon say them deliver the drone to the address where we ship it to, you know? So when we go to the mailbox now, we don't see it. You know what I mean? So you know, so me get cross and I say, oh, we're baiting, steady, you know where I go. You know what I mean? Cause when the reason with them for the day there, you get me totally mistake. You know what I go see where to, you know what I mean? Cause I did it. You get me? Yeah, so anyway, we figure out which part in the mailbox then put the drone. You get what I say? So we go feed and unbox it and thing. Yeah, and boy, I tell you, a long time I'm not happy for something so, you know what I mean? Yeah, it full up my joy, I'm not tell you no lie. You get me? Because I always want one. You know, from both 2018 Carnival or UA. From them time I did want one, because I did got the Carnival and see the youth them I use it and the video, them vlog and them way there. You get what I do with? So I say now that we there on YouTube, I say yo, a drone would be a nice addition to, you know what I mean, the videos and things. So couldn't wait to get one. Yeah man, but right now we have the drone. That's why I tell you, you know, say enough time when you want things in a life. If you put your mind to it and work towards it, anything at all it is in a life, once you consistently push towards it, you will end up there someday. You get me I deal with it. You have to just keep moving and move intentionally, you know what I mean, towards where I work towards. Doesn't matter what it is. You see me I say, yeah man, I them way there. So yeah, so you know, can't wait to go outside, go fly up the drone and you know what I mean, get some aerial shots at location over there and you get what I deal with it. So it's just a nice vibe. A long time my jaw not full up like that. Nah, tell me no lie, it's a good vibe. You get me? Yeah man, it's a real good vibes, people. You know, blessed love. We just want to take time off to big up people like the rap dance, you know what I mean, Nicola Yard style. You know, Faith Connection, while go on over there, you see it, encourage me, blessed love man. You know what I mean, one heart of love. You get what I say? Every time, we appreciate the support you know what I mean, where you give to the videos them we post weekly. You know, we appreciate the strength. Always a lookout for our material. We always a lookout for yours just the same. We just go outside and know, enjoy some flight time, you know what I mean, with the drone, cause that's something we've been waiting on for a long time. You get what I say? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself in our heart of love.
Froggy.
That's a rude froggy.
Yes, rude froggy. Are you too big to land on the chair? Ah. Alright then. You get to fly a drone for the first time.
Test flight.
Eh?
Yeah. You just test fly the aircraft, you know what I mean? Mad thing. Nice flight. But take some practice though, you see it? Yeah, man. But take one whole heap of practice. But soon get it.
Yeah, straight.
Yeah.